Sometimes you'll want to display all the articles in a section or category in a blog-like style. Joomla has blog layouts you can use for this. In this video, we will create a blog view for both a section and a category. Views are created through menu items, so let's go to the menu manager. Let's go to Menus, Main Menu, and now let's click on New. Go to Articles, and you'll see all the options for articles. Instead of using article layout the way we do for individual articles, we're going to use section blog layout. Select the section, in this case we're going to use ingredients, and give it a title. The title doesn't have to match the name of the section at all, so we can say ingredients we use. Then click Save. Let's go to the front end. Click Refresh, and you'll notice the ingredients we use is now at the bottom of the menu. Click this link. This view is displaying articles similar to the way the front page does, only it's showing articles that are just from the ingredients section. We can also do this for categories. Let's go to the back end again. Click New, click Articles, but now click Category Blog Layout. From here, you can select the category you want to display. We're going to select the People category. Notice that it starts off with the section name followed by a slash, and then followed by the category name. The title can be anything we want, so we're going to title this People of Fresh and Local. And then we're going to click Save. Now let's go to the front end. Click Refresh, and now People of Fresh and Local appears at the bottom of the menu. Click this link, and now we see all of the articles in the People category. Creating blog-like views in Joomla is a popular way of displaying your organized content. You can do blog views at the section level, or you can choose to show a specific category in blog view. Joomla gives you the option of organizing your content into sections and categories. Sections and categories help you group your content so that you can show them as sets later. In this video, we will create a section and several categories within it. To understand this concept, imagine you have papers all over your desk. They are not organized at all. You can find things, but not very quickly, and related pages could be somewhere else. You need a filing cabinet. Joomla uses sections and categories to organize content. Sections hold categories, and categories hold content. To see this in action, let's go to the Article Manager. I entered some content about the ingredients used at Fresh and Local. As you see here, they're all within the ingredients section, but they're in different categories. Pears and apples are fruits, lemongrass and basil are herbs, and then peppers and carrots are vegetables. But they're all ingredients. You'll notice that it's mixed in with all the other content we've already entered into the site, so it could be difficult to find these articles later if we don't have them categorized properly. But since we do have the ingredients categorized, we can filter for them. We'll select the section, Ingredients, and now it just shows us the ingredients. If we have a lot of ingredients, we can also filter by category. So if we only wanted to see the fruits, we could select Fruits, and now we're down to the articles that are just about fruits. This will make it very easy for you to find articles later once you have a lot of content in your website. Let's clear the filters to see all the articles in the system. The existing content is not in any section or category. Let's fix that. Let's add a section for restaurant information, and we'll add several categories to categorize these articles. Let's go to the Section Manager first. We already have the ingredients section that I added earlier, but now we're going to add a restaurant information section. Click New, and then add Restaurant Information as the title. Then click Save. Next, we're going to create several categories underneath this section. Go to Category Manager, then click New, and enter People as a category. But now you need to select a section. Select restaurant information as the section that people will be underneath. Click Save. We also want to add categories for press and for food, and we want these to be underneath restaurant information as well. So click New, type in Press, select restaurant information as a section, and click Save. Do the same for food. Food is the title, restaurant information is the section, and click Save. I'm going to go back to the article manager so we can see all of our content. Joomla has a two-tier categorization system you can use to organize your content. Sections contain categories, and categories contain your articles. When you add a section, you need only enter the title, but when you add a category, you must also select a section for it. With sections and categories in place, organizing your content is a quick two-click task. Sorting your articles makes it possible for you to display groups of articles in the front end. It also makes it easy for you to find them later for editing. In this video, we will categorize some existing articles. First, let's go to the article manager. Here we have all of the articles in the system. These 4 articles are not organized yet. Let's use the section and the categories that we created in the previous video to organize these articles. First, let's do seasonal specialties. Since this is our menu, we're going to select restaurant information as the section, and we're going to select food as the category. Click Save. Now, seasonal specialties appears in the restaurant information section in the food category. Let's do the same thing for reviews of our restaurant. We're going to place this in the restaurant information section, but we're going to categorize it under press, because these are things people have said about our restaurant. Let's click Save. So now we have both of these articles in the restaurant information section, but one is in food and one is in press. Let's organize the rest of this content. Click on About John and Meredith, and then select the restaurant information section, but now just leave it on people. Click Save. Finally, let's organize About Fresh and Local. Select restaurant information as the section, and just like we did for the last article, leave it on people, and click Save. So now we see all the articles in our system are organized. Organizing your articles in Joomla is easy once you have sections and categories ready. When you edit an article, first select the section that you want. The categories for that section will fill the category dropdown. If you decide to organize content, remember that you have to select both a section and a category, as categories contain articles and sections contain categories.